Hello, I'm James. Welcome to another episode of Vive Talk. Today we're going to be talking about Muse's VR concert tour. Muse is a British music group that has put their live performances into VR. Muse are famous for projects such as 2006's classic album Black Holes and Revelations. Back then, their live performances were both exquisite and shocking. After more than 10 years, their stage design and artistry have come a long way. Simulation Theory, their 8th studio album released in 2018, incorporated scientific concepts like black holes into the creative process. Naturally, Simulation Theory has become a new trick once more. If you believe the hypothesis that the world we perceive to be real is actually a computer simulation, it will be no surprise that the Simulation Theory tour has moved into virtual reality. To make the concept of the album from Simulation Theory more complete, Muse asked Microsoft to collaborate in 2019 to produce 3 VR games, allowing fans to experience the concept of the album through these pieces of content. Originally, Muse intended to hold a Simulation Theory tour in theatres, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, they've worked with VR startup Stageverse to bring fans Muse's Simulation Theory virtual experience, which can be accessed via mobile devices or via VR headsets, like those from Vive. Although not as glamorous as the theatre version, the VR version allows you to watch a 360-degree video of Muse's concerts. Put on your Vive and enjoy the experience. That's all from today from Vive Talk. Thanks very much for your time.